Life is not about holding good cards, but in playing those you have well. I have come to realize in life that those that have succeeded are not those people that have had the best in life, but those that have had to use whatever life has to offer to get the best out of it. My name is Ssenkaayi, a Ugandan, an African who believes that the world has a place for you too. I know you're somewhere. You think you don't have whatever it takes to be the person that you want to be. I know right now you feel like there is something you need to be that person you dream to be. But there is one thing that you have to know, that you must understand. Whatever you need to become the person you have to be, it is with you right now. Challenges will be there. Challenges and barriers are part of life. The moments you'll feel like you want to give up. There are times you'll feel like you don't have the energy to move forward. Your friends, your environment will all tell you that you should stop, you should quit. But let me tell you, use whatever is around you to make a difference. There is one thing I've learned about life. You can't have what you want unless you give what you have. My question to you, what is it that you can offer from where you are that can help change or influence someone's life? In the end, that which you have to offer will attract people who will come with whatever you're looking for. Life is not about how many times you have tried and failed, because you'll fail so many times. And if you haven't failed, let me tell you, you're going to fail at something at one moment in your life. It is not about those number of times that you have failed, but those number of times you have lifted yourself up with the same courage, same focus, motivation and inspiration to keep moving towards your dream. Remember, the world never listens to stories of failure. The world listens to only those people that have succeeded. For the best building block is the one that has undergone the finest furnace. Just like Martin Luther said, if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you must keep moving. For if you find yourself failing to do anything of the above, then you wait for hell on earth.